To be a great putter, you have to control the speed of how hard you hit the putt. One of the issues that we have when we practice is that when you practice, some of the times that you hit the ball can barely go over the front edge of the cup, and this is a fairly straight putt, and the next putt could go way into the back of the cup but still go in. The problem with that is, if that was a breaking putt, and I picked a line and I didn't hit the correct speed, most likely the putt's not going to go in. So one of the ways that we can practice our putting and get a little bit more feedback is actually to eliminate the hole. And what am I talking about? I'm talking about creating maybe what you would call a phantom cup. So if I put some ball markers down, if you looked at Dave Peltz, and what he discovered, he liked 17 inches past the cup. So he's the first one to really get credit for talking about how hard you should hit a putt. And he talked about that because when the ball starts to slow down right at the cup, the ball can tend to go offline a little bit more when it doesn't carry its speed. The other problem is if it has too much speed, then if it hits the lip of the cup, it might not go in. So by creating what you would call a phantom cup here, what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to try to roll it over these little ball markers, and I'm going to pick a distance past the cup. That, to me, I could measure it, but for the video here, I'm just putting a tee down what I would say is about 15 inches past the cup. And what I would try to do is I would try to roll the ball over those ball marks and stop it right at the tee. And what that would do is have me practice rolling the ball over an imaginary cup at the proper speed, so when I go back to the hole, you could imagine putting through the cup, or at least you're going to control the speed better, that when the ball gets to the cup, it's going the proper speed to make the hole as big as possible. So try a little practice with the phantom cup to control your distance even better.